Welcome, my ADHD friends. Welcome to the Chat GPT for ADHD Mompreneurs workshop. And what I'm going to do is go over this roadmap first with you. And what's going to be interesting about this workshop is most of the things that you're going to see, ChatGPT actually has helped me prepare them for you. For example, right before I hopped on here, I asked ChatGPT to give me a quick launch mini list right there. And I'll show you how to do that too, so that I'm checking off what I need to do before I logged on 10 minutes before here. So, here, as I go over the ChatGPT roadmap with you, ChatGPT actually helped me with this roadmap so that I can order the structure of what I'm about to tell you. And also, because as I mentioned early on, we're timelined, and I want to make sure I structure this presentation to you in a very timely manner. Our goal is 16 minutes. And so I asked ChatGPT, here are the things that I want to do today and talk about to my ADHD friends, and let me know how I should break it down. And that's what ChatGPT did. The reason I'm telling that to you right now is so that you can visualize what ChatGPT can do to empower you. So the first thing we're doing right now in our roadmap is I'm welcoming you and a quick introduction of myself. Hi, if we haven't met yet, I'm Catherine Lazardo. I'm a lawyer, a TEDx speaker, entrepreneur, and mom of two boys, ages 14 and 5. I have ADHD. My eldest son has ADHD too. We are a neurodiverse family, and I am a thriving ADHD mompreneur because of my two boys who call me the best mom ever. That's the proudest title I've ever received. So I wanted to show you this roadmap and let you know that we're going to set our ADHD friendly goal first. And then what we're going to do is we're going to talk about why this workshop matters. I'm going to give you briefly in 4 minutes the story of how I came up with this workshop and why I'm doing this. I know there's a lot of ChatGPT workshop out there, but this workshop is going to be different, I assure you. And it's better to show than tell you. And then we're for 5 minutes, we're going to talk about the simple ChatGPT workflow. For 10 minutes, we're going to talk about 3 skills for ADHD ChatGPT use. This is where we're going to talk about how specifically we can tailor your use of ChatGPT to your ADHD brain. I always do that for my brain, so that's why I'm going to show you how I actually do that. And then real time phrases, how we can the top 10 ADHD challenges. So those are the real life examples that we're going to do for our challenges. And then also we're going to build your simplified chat GPT dashboard. So before you leave, we're going to create a dashboard for you that's going to be your external brain for your chat GPT use. So we're going to do that for about 10 minutes. And then 3 minutes in the end, I'm going to invite you to join my Thriving ADHD Mompreneurs. That's my community. I just wanted to give you a heads up that that's there. And also, at the very end, I'm going to give you a parting pro tip on how to use ChatGPT because I only have 60 minutes here, and ChatGPT can do way more than what I can show you in this workshop. And then we'll have a Q&A. If ever you have any questions that you want to ask me, just go ahead and type it in the chat as we go along, and we'll talk about it. So there you go. Oh, and if you're wondering how I'm going to time all of this, I have this timer that I use right here. It's a chess clock timer. I have different kinds of timers, and I'm showing that because to help you give ideas as to how you can use timers as well. So we're going to go now and talk about why this matters. Also, by the way, you probably noticed that I'm not using slides here. When you go to YouTube, I already added in the description the links to whatever links that I'll be talking about here, including the link to this ChatGPT whiteboard that I'm using from Canva. I create my own rules and I create my own games. So this workshop, I'm creating my own rule of not using slides. Not that I don't know how to use them. As a lawyer, I've made a lot of presentations already with slides, but I just feel constrained with slides. My ADHD brain feels constrained. And with a whiteboard, my ADHD brain just feels more liberated, and it's just I can go wide and deep in what I'm about to show you. So don't be alarmed if you don't see any slides. You will have access to this, and I'll make sure that you can follow along, and I'll show you. So we'll talk about the ADHD friendly goal right now. And this is my goal, which is to empower you to solve your problems on your own. And let me know if you can see this. I just want to make sure. And let me know if you can hear me. Just type in the chat that, yes, I can hear you. And so this is right here. Let me make sure that I see any other comments that says that you can't hear me. I want to make sure you hear me. There you go. Uh, Give me a thumbs up in the chat if you can hear me. There. And then let's see here, or just tell me yes. Right there. I am trying. There you go. Just let me know like this if you can hear me, and I'll take a look. Okay, so now this is my goal, as I mentioned. Oh, hi, Lily Mae. Thank you so much. You can hear me. I just wanted to make sure that people can hear me. I appreciate you for acknowledging that. The my goal, why I did this, is I want to empower you to solve your problem on your own. And how to do that using ChatGPT. That's why my goal is to give you skills in using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a tool, but what I'm going to teach you here are skills to use ChatGPT. And the reason for that is this. The fastest growing skill by 2030, according to the World Economic Forum, is going to be AI and big data. This is the skill that everyone must know by 2030, according to the research that the World Economic Forum did. And the other skills, networking, technology literacy, creative thinking, resilience, curiosity and lifelong learning, leadership, analytical thinking. What's interesting is these things, these other skills, analytical thinking, resilience, leadership, social influence. So I know we have a lot of content creators and mompreneurs out there who signed up here. I looked up people's profile who actually signed up for the ChatGPT mompreneur community, so that I can see who my workshop is really for, and I can tailor it for you. So these skills that us ADHD mompreneurs are developing are actually very helpful skills for AI as well. So when you develop your AI skills, you're automatically developing these other skills as well. That's why it's very important for me, I believe, to empower you to develop those skills. That's the goal. So when you're going through the ChatGPT examples that we're going to do, think about the skill behind it, not so much as the prompts or how I do it, but think about the skill behind it.